Hello everybody. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about airport engineering. In this video, especially I discuss about what is airport and some important terminology which is related to airport. First we will see what is airport engineering and what is airport. Airport engineering encompasses the planning, design, and construction of terminals, runways, and navigation aids to provide for passenger and freight service. Simply, we can say airport engineering is a branch of transportation engineering which deals about the planning, design, construction, and maintenance of airport. Okay, so it means it also involves in the design, construction, and maintenance of different components of airport like runway, taxiway, terminal, parking, apron, hangar, and all these things, and also its services. Okay, so this is about airport engineering. And coming to airport, how can I define airport? Airport is a facility where passengers connect from ground transportation to air transportation. It is nothing but airport is a place where the passenger can enter into the air transportation or can enter into the flight or aircraft. Understand no? So airport is a facility where passengers connect from ground transportation to air transportation. It means that up to airport the passengers will reach by using land transport, like by using car or by using train or by using bus. Okay, so that is come under road transportation or land transportation. And from airport they can enter into air transportation. It means they can enter into flight or aeroplane or whatever it may, some aircraft. Okay, so that's why an airport is a facility is nothing but that is the place where which combines the road transport and air transport, and there some facilities will be provided to the passengers like terminals, like shopping, food, seating, some arrangements will be there. Okay, so that's why it is called as facility. An airport is a facility where passengers connect from ground transportation to air transportation. Understand? If that facilities are not there, even though the passengers are connecting from land transport to air transport, okay, now simply that place is called as airfield. Understand or no? Facility is nothing but the terminal building in which we are providing some seating, some shopping, some refreshment, and all those things. Understand or no? So if that facility is not there, simply the place where aeroplanes will start, means the place aeroplanes will take off or landing, such things will happen. That place is simply called as airfield. That is the difference between airport and airfield. Airport is nothing but the place where passengers will be connected from land transport to air transport with facilities. Airfield is the place where land transport is connected to air transport without any facilities. Understand no? So that is the difference between airport and airfield. You can see here, airfield is an area where an aircraft can land and take off, which may or may not be equipped with any navigational aids or markings or any facilities. See some important terms which are related to airport. Before we are entering into the subject airport engineering, the terminology is most important. We should know about all these terms. Okay, now so first one is aircraft. Aircraft is a machine which finds its support in the atmosphere due to reactions of the air is defined as an aircraft. Understand? So simply aircraft is nothing but the vehicle which flies in air. Understand? So that is nothing but aircraft, like aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, etc. All these things will be called as aircraft. Aircraft is nothing but the vehicle which flies in atmosphere with the help of air or with the support of air. That is nothing but aircraft. Okay, now so many aircrafts are there: aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, etc. Okay, now and it means the vehicles, their weight maybe, it means their density may be lighter than air or maybe heavier than air. Okay, so it means their movement in air or their flying in air is completely depending upon the design of the wings of those vehicles. Understand? No? So, okay, in case of aeroplane, we will have wings, and in case of helicopter, we will have some fan above it. And based on their speed, the aircrafts have been classified into two types: subsonic aircraft and supersonic aircraft. Subsonic aircraft is nothing but the aircraft speed is less than the speed of the sound. Okay, so such aircrafts are called as subsonic aircraft. And if the aircraft speed is greater than the speed of sound, such aircrafts are called as supersonic aircraft. And next important term is aerodrome. Aerodrome, it is nothing but any defined area on land or water intended to be used for the arrival and departure of an aircraft is called as aerodrome. Understand? No? So aerodrome is nothing but an area where aircraft can land, it means can arrive and can departure from that place upon the ground. Understand? Or upon the water. Okay, na? So that is called as aerodrome. And airport is nothing but, already we have seen that airport is the place where some facilities will be provided to the passengers. Understand? No? And airfield is the place where no facilities have been provided to the passengers, but the passengers can access into air transportation from the land transportation. Understand? No? So this is most important, that what is the difference between aerodrome, airport and airfield. Understand? No? So aerodrome is nothing but only the place either on land or on water, whatever it may, the aeroplanes or aircrafts can arrive and can departure from there. That's it. In aerodrome, there is no any runway is provided. Understand? No? Or there is no any taxiway is provided. Nothing have been there. Only the aeroplane or aircraft can reach there and can departure from there. Understand? So that is nothing but aerodrome. And airport, it is a commercial area. Understand? So airport is a commercial area. Like how you can see, how you can define airport, as you can see, airport is an aerodrome which is principally intended for the use of commercial services. It is provided with custom facilities if it service any international traffic, that is if it is designed as an international traffic. Understand? So like based upon the services, it means the what to say, that based upon the level of services or based upon the expansion of services, the airports have been classified into two types. One is international airport and another one is the domestic airport or non-international airport. International airport means from where the flights or the aircrafts can travel from one country to another country. It means across the international borders. And the domestic airport or non-international airport means from where the flights or the aircrafts can travel from one place to another place within a country. Understand? So that is nothing but international airport and domestic airport. Okay, so next one is airfield. It is an area which is used for landing and takeoff of an aircraft. That's it. Aerodrome is nothing but, it is only a place, nothing is there, no marking will be there, or no runway will be there, no facility will be there, no traffic control will be there. Simply airport, it means it depends upon the driver. Understand? Like pilot, it depends upon the pilot. The pilot can come there and he can leave that place. That's it. Understand? It means the flight can arrive there and then the flight can leave that place. That's it. That is called as aerodrome. And airport is a commercial area, and airfield is an area, it is not a commercial area, but there some markings will be there, some runway will be there. Understand? It means there facilities will be there only for the purpose of flight and for helping the pilot. Some markings or some signals or some runway will be there. That is nothing but airfield. Okay, so these are the differences between aerodrome, airport and airfield. Next important term is landing area. An airport consists of landing area and terminal area. Landing area is used for landing and takeoff of an aircraft. The runway and taxiway will come under landing area. Runway, it is nothing but it's a pavement at airport. Understand now? So that pavement is used for takeoff and landing for the aircraft. And taxiway, it is the pavement constructed at airport, which is, it means which connects runway to airport, or runway and apron, or runway and hangar. It means which taxiway is nothing but the road or the pavement which connects different components of aircraft. Understand, like hangar and runway, or apron and runway, or apron to hangar. Understand, so that's it. Okay, it means through taxiway the aircraft or aeroplane from move from one place to another place within the airport, like from apron to runway, or from apron to taxiway, or from apron to hangar, or from hangar to runway, like this. Terminal area, it includes the following: terminal building, aircraft apron, gate position, hangars, automobile parking area. Terminal building, it is nothing but the building which is provided for the passengers. Understand, like it means that the terminal area contains all facilities which are to be provided only for passengers, like for their seating, for shopping. Understand, no? For their refreshment and all those things. And aircraft apron is the place where we will park aircraft or aeroplanes. Understand, apron is nothing but the land or the place which is provided for the parking of the aeroplanes within the airport. That is nothing but a apron. And gate position, this is the gate which have been provided from within the airport, from apron to taxiway. In between them some gate will be there. And the next one is the hangar or shelter. This is the component of airport where some repair works or some mechanic works will be conducted or will be take place for the aeroplanes or aircrafts. Understand? So hangar, simply we can say that the mechanical shed of aeroplane. And automobile parking area, so this is the outside part of the airport. Understand? So this is used for parking cars, bikes, etc. And the next component is runway. It is the pavement, it means it is the paved area which is used for landing and takeoff of aeroplanes. It is paved long and narrow rectangular strip which is actually used for landing and takeoff of aeroplanes. Next one is the taxiway. It is a paved way over which an aeroplane may taxi while going to and from runway and loading apron. Understand? It means a taxiway, it is the pavement or it is a road which have been provided to connect runway and taxiway within the airport. Understand? So taxiways also connect to neighboring runway or runway with a service and maintenance hangar. Yeah, this is the complete scenario or complete layout of an airport. Here you can see car parking, terminal building, taxiway, runway, and apron. All these things have been are showing here. Understand? No? It means the check-in baggage or boarding pass and baggage screening, traveler security screening, lounge or shops, traveler waiting area, ATM, and all these things are there. Na? That yellow part is called as terminal building, in which all facilities will be provided to the passengers. And apron is there. Apron is the place where we will park the or where we will keep the aeroplanes. And taxiway, this is the way which connects apron to runway. Understand? Or hangar to runway or hangar to apron within the airport. And runway is the place, it is showing that it is a paved area from where the aeroplanes will take off or there they will land. Okay, so this is about airport and different terms or different components which are related to airport. This is also another figure which shows different components of airport. This is also one more figure which shows different components of airport. Terminal building you can see, runway you can see, parking you can see, apron you can see, gate area you can see, and all those things you can see here.